Namaste students, myself JV Nanshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. I'm teaching you basics of bioscience. Today's topic is diversity in biological system. So, first of all, we will discuss what is biological diversity. Biodiversity. What does mean biodiversity? So, bio means life and diversity means diversity. It is basically variety. Next is why protect biodiversity. So we have to protect our biodiversity. There is various reasons. First is moral, right to exist, stewardship, heritage, and necessary, waste, immoral. Next is economic. We have valuable sources now and in the future. Ecological, we have to maintain local to global ecosystem health. So human impact on global biodiversity. Human activities have altered the world, terrestrial, freshwater, and marine ecosystem throughout the history. So, in the last 50 years, there was a substantial and largely irreversible loss in the biodiversity of life on Earth. The number of species at risk of extinction 16,300 species of plant and animal listed as threatened globally. So, it clearly reflects this loss of biodiversity. Basically, biodiversity is plant, animal, microorganism, and the ecological processes that interconnect them forms the planet's natural productivity. Next is the world is a living system where everything is connected and everything is interdependent and substand in a dynamic balance. So matter and energy may change from, but they do not disappear. So it basically biodiversity is a basic equation of life, which is seed plus soil nutrition plus water plus sun is equal to food. The natural cycles in the world's ecosystem help deliver nutrition and water to the soil, and microbes in the soil help capture and process these materials so they are available to be taken up by the plants. Plants become a part of food chain and are eaten by other living things. Massive biodiversity loss is essentially irreversible. Each species is the product of a unique, non-reproducible history. The Millennium Ecosystem Assessment. So there are five main causes of biodiversity loss, which is habitat change, climate change, invasive alien species, overexploitation and pollution. The assessment argued that the loss of the species and the progressive homogenization of many ecosystems is one of the major threats to survival of natural system. So basically, here we will start from introduction. So the term biodiversity was first coined by ecologist E.O. Wilson in 1986. Biodiversity is the heritage of million years of evolution. So biodiversity is a basic property of life. It is a striking feature of Earth is the existence of life, and striking features of life is its diversity. So next we will discuss biodiversity is a measure of number of variety and variability of living organisms. There is variety, the number of different types. So what is variety? Variety is the number of different types. And what is quantity? The number of total biomass of any one type. Next is what is distribution? The extent and nature of geographic spread of different types. It is known as distribution. The next we will discuss what is significance of biodiversity. So biodiversity is the sun of the life on earth and includes genetic species and functional diversity. So the status and trends in biodiversity reflects the life health of the ecosystem that supports and enrich human life. Next, the earth is home of a tremendous biological diversity. Okay, so this diversity, which includes the million of different species, the diversity of their genes, physiology, and behavior, and the multitude of their ecological interaction, the variety of ecosystem and constitute. So this biodiversity, which is the result of more than 3 billion years of evolution, is under serious threat today. Okay, the variety of living things, number of kinds. Okay, so biodiversity includes ecological diversity, species diversity, genetic diversity. So in ecological diversity, different habitats, niches, species interactions are come, and in species diversity, there are different kinds of organisms, relationships among species. And then genetic diversity, it includes different genes and combination of genes. So uh, it is all about diversity and types of biodiversity. Okay. So, what is biodiversity? The spectrum of life on Earth in the terms of variation. So, it includes genes, population, species, ecosystems, and interaction among them. Okay. So, now we come to biological diversity. In this, there is number of like genetic that we have already discussed about three types of biological diversity, which is genetic, species, and ecosystem. So, in genetic, the genetic variation among individual species comes, and in species there are a number of different species in a given area. And next is ecosystem. In this, the variety of interaction among organisms are the comes under in a community. Okay. So in biodiversity there are variety of life, more interactions, community, population, individual, genome, chromosomes, and gene and enzyme, and there are more biological units which are comes under biological diversity. Okay. So there is various level of genetic organization which is comes under genetic biodiversity. That is gene, chromosome, genome, and gene pool. Okay. In next is genetic diversity. Okay. So in genetic diversity, variation within genes, variation within individual, variation within population. Okay. So variation among population is concerned and differentiation in genetic distances like pairwise or average. Next is species diversity, represent the different types of plants, animal, and other life forms with a region. Okay, it is a dynamic property and changes over spaces and time. Next, the number of species and their relative abundance depend on the size and geographic area of the ecosystem. And species diversity is an indicator of the biological richness stress of an ecosystem. Okay, so now we come into ecosystem diversity. So in this, it is the variety of different habitats ecosystem in a particular area. So its example is wetland, woodland, and grassland. Okay. So next is the ecosystem is a world and maintained by the biodiversity. And every ecosystem can be characterized by its own species and compositions. Okay. The diversity, okay, sorry, the ecosystem differing features such as physical structure, temperature, water, and availability of food types. So now we will discuss what is the ecosystem characteristic. So in this, we have number of characteristics like biological structure composition, physical structure composition, measure of variation types and successive stages, rare or specialized communities or otherwise at risk. Soil and air resources, water quality, stream flow, stream banks, shorelines, lakes, wetland, principal ecological processes. The next is structure characteristic. Okay, so in this proportion and distribution of the vegetation types, successive stages, density, and a large trees per acre, steam habitat complexity, riparian structure, soil productivity, and soil compression layers. So this is all about the biological diversity. So, if we talk about the diversity of organism, there are a lot of diversity in organism like prokaryotes, protists, fungi, all other plants, flowering plants, all other animals, mollusks, chordates, and all other arthropods. Okay, so this is all about biological diversity in uh, system. So it's all about biological diversity. If you have any query, you can write in uh, your query box. Thank you, students.